So you just wrapped up that bootcamp, or you're done with your tech course, or you just finished that online training, and you're asking yourself, what is the next step? What nobody is going to tell you in today's world is that having those skills are not just enough. It is like you're having a starting point, but you need a foundation to build on. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Dat Savitory, and I help you become digitally savvy with AI and tech. In today's video, I'm going to break down 7 strategies you can implement in making sure that you position yourself digitally to be ready for the next opportunities that come your way. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. First, let's build what I call the minimum viable presence, or MVP. At minimum, you need a foundation that represents you professionally online. This is the starting point. It's not perfect, but it helps get you into the game. Think of your MVP as a digital business card. It doesn't have to be fancy, but it has to exist and be professional.
For tech beginners, this means having a professional email address, not hotdude123 at Gmail, a simple LinkedIn profile with a clear headshot, a basic GitHub account, and a consistent username across all platforms.
Without this foundation, the other strategies won't really work. The goal here isn't perfection, it's just having something presentable that you can build on. Now let's level from MVP level to a complete online presence. Having just an online presence is not enough. You need to do the work, you need to put in the work. We're going to focus on optimizing these 3 platforms. The first one is your LinkedIn profile, the second one is your GitHub profile, and the third one is your portfolio.
Your LinkedIn profile needs to be strategic, not just complete. Focus on your headline and about section. Instead of junior developer, try front-end developer creating accessible web experiences with React, stroke, recent graduate. Your headline should tell both what you do and why it matters. Your GitHub profile should showcase your README file and pin your best repositories. Add descriptions to your projects and make sure your commit history shows consistent activities.
Now, let's talk more about your portfolio because it really deserves attention. A portfolio is like a digital collection of your best work, skills, and experiences, showcasing your abilities and qualifications.
Your portfolio should include 3 to 5 of your best projects, quality over quantity, of course, clear descriptions of what each project does, the technologies you used, your specific contribution, especially if it was a group project, and links to both the live demo and the code. Now, here is a quick portfolio hack. Include a case study format for at least one project. Explain the problem, your approach, challenges you faced, and your solution. This shows your thinking process and not just the final product.
Now, here's what most people do wrong. They provide a list of skills that they say they are good at, but they are yet to show proof of them actually using these skills. It's not wrong to have lots of skills, but it's best to show proof that you have actually used or you are using these skills.
Instead of saying proficient in Python, show it. Create a small project using Python and share what you learned. Explain your thinking process, document challenges you faced and how you were able to solve them. This is where content creation is going to come in because it's going to deepen your understanding and provides evidence of your capabilities. It could be any of this medium, a technical blog on Medium, short posts on LinkedIn or Twitter, code walkthroughs on GitHub, and a simple video explanation.
Before you start promoting your online presence, you need to know what has already been there about you. Open an incognito browser and Google yourself. What is going to pop up? Is it your LinkedIn profile, your GitHub profile, or that controversial tweet from Twitter in 2019, or nothing at all? This is what you should look into before you start promoting yourself in the digital space because you don't want anything to mar your professional image when you start getting these opportunities.
Here is what to do. Remove or make private anything that does not align with your professional image. Update privacy settings on personal accounts. Identify gaps where you should have a presence but you don't.
Now, let's talk about AI to enhance your digital positioning because it would be ironic if we don't use tech to help us get ahead in tech. See what I did there? I know you've seen a lot of people talk about how AI is going to replace your jobs, but honestly, if you know how to use AI properly, it's going to be an added advantage for you, especially when you're landing an opportunity in tech. I know networking makes most of us want to run and hide, but digital networking doesn't have to be about attending events or sending cold emails.
Find 2 to 3 GitHub repositories related to technologies you're interested in and start contributing. Even small documentation fixes or bug reports gets you noticed. Follow and meaningfully engage with 5 to 10 professionals in your desired field on Twitter or LinkedIn. Don't just like the posts, add thoughtful comments that extend the conversations. Join relevant Discord servers or Slack communities where you can ask questions, share resources, and also help others. The key is consistency and authenticity. Don't drop in, ask for a job, and disappear. Become a regular, helpful presence. One genuine connection is worth more than 100 superficial
Now,
ones.
I'm curious, which of these strategies are you going to implement? Let me know by dropping your comments in the comment section below. If you have found this video helpful, please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to share it to your friends who are looking to be digital savvy and also land opportunities in tech. And until next time, stay savvy.